Hi, welcome to another edition for the ukulele strum course. Today's lesson is on the chuck strum. Before we get started, go ahead and grab your music sheet, chuck strum, and go ahead and tune up your ukulele while you're at it. Pause the tutorial, take care of these things, and we'll get started in about a second. So you got your music sheet, you got your ukulele. Basically the chuck strum, all it is providing a percussive sound to your strumming style. So it kind of gives you a rhythmic percussion sound as you're strumming, kind of almost as if you have a rhythm piece that's accompanying you when you're strumming. Now if you look on the second line, it says strum D, up, 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 D, U, U, U. So that means just down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. Okay? So in other words, down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. Now keep in mind, when you're doing the strum, your hand is moving in this motion. It doesn't go it doesn't go down, up, up, up. It doesn't do that. Your hand is always moving like this. So keep in mind, as your hand moves like this, it's going to accent where the strum is. So down, up, up, up. Once again, down, up, up, up. Now to break it down even more, what's happening here is the chucking sound is really your finger and your palm coming together like this. It provides this kind of percussive sound when you're playing. Okay, so it's going to be down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. So with the chucking is kind of, once again, the chucking sound is the finger and the palm coming down together like this. Down, up, chuck, up, okay? So I'm gonna just hold a C chord and it looks kind of something like this. Down, up, chuck, up. Once again, down, up, chuck, up. Okay, so I'm gonna play the first line, A minor, G, F, G. I'll play it so you can hear it and kind of watch as an example, then we'll play it together. Here we go. It's a 4 count. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so basically that's it. Down, up, chuck, up, okay? So let's play it together about the same speed, maybe a little bit slower. And then we'll play it with the repeat. So in other words, play that first line twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if that was a little difficult, you want to slow it down. If that was too easy, you can probably speed it up. And with this progression, you can repeat it as many times as you want, and it still sounds fine. It actually sounds like a song. Next one, the second line, we're going to do C, F, G, and C. Here we go. So it should sound like this. Let me play it for you as an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're going to play it together, maybe take it a little bit slower. Here's a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Okay, so this particular strum is a very popular strum used in all kinds of music, but I think it's very popular among rock music, and it really provides an interesting sound. So I'll just play kind of two examples for you. This one is in D, G, A7. Here we go. Well, I took off for a week and last month, just and trying to recall the whole year. All of the places and all of the faces, one where they all disappear. Okay, so that was a D, G, A7. Here's another one using the example that we did, A minor, G, F, and G. Oh, by the way, something that you can add in is when you do your palm, I come down with my palm like this to add kind of like almost like a bass drum sound or a thicker sound to kind of give it a little bit more of rhythm beat. I'll try to incorporate it in this example. Can you hear me? Well, can you hear me running? Well, can you hear me running? Can you hear me calling you? Well, can you hear me? Well, can you hear me running? Well, can you hear me running? Can you hear me calling you? Okay, so those were some examples of the chuck strum. Once again, they're very popular in contemporary music, so give that a try. If you need to rewind it to the beginning, by all means do so, and then when you're ready to move on to your next lesson, we shall see you then.